Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the lid switch assembly in your washer-dryer combo, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the lower access panel. Detach the panel and set it aside. Remove the two rear access panel clips. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the screws so you can detach the access panels. Use a short flathead screwdriver to help detach the spring clips securing the washer's top panel and lid. Pull the top panel forward, then lift up. Set the panel upside down on a sturdy surface covered with a towel or blanket. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the mounting screws to release the lid switch. Disconnect the grounding wire. Now detach the lid switch assembly wires from the retaining clips. Use a 5/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the screws, securing the lid switch assembly wire connector and grounding wire. Pull the wire connector free, and you can fully remove the old assembly. Install the new lid switch assembly by first inserting the wire connector through the slot on the rear of the top panel. Secure it with the screw. Secure the grounding wire as well. Now secure the assembly wires under the retaining clips. Align the lid switch and thread the mounting screws to hold it in place. Connect the grounding wire to the clip on the panel. Returning to the appliance, realign the top panel and lid on the washer and push the panel straight back. Be aware the lid switch wire connector on the panel needs to be fully connected with the receptacle on the frame. Reinsert the two spring clips to secure the panel. Reposition the rear access panels and rethread the screws. Reinsert the access panel clips. Reposition the lower access panel and secure it with the screws. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your washer-dryer combo should be ready for use.